Mhm.
You know, I'll say that again. So, you know, your message, right, is like, hey, I'm Brenda, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I want freedom, right? And I wanted freedom, and then this is the way to get it, and I want to help other people along that way. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I care about X, whatever your Y is in there that you didn't really, you know, I didn't know, you didn't really give it to me, but you kind of did. You gave me some of it, you gave me the top of it, but there's something deeper. There's somebody you want to help personal. There's a reason, right?
Mhm.
So whatever that is, you can share it with me. You can share it with yourself. It's important. That's your driver. That's your, that's what, right? You want to know why I do
Mhm.
it? I have a why too, you know? I got a why. There's a reason why I grind the way I do. I haven't seen my daughter in forever. If I could just, you know, it's not by choice. You know, my why is so I can create the freedom and then the ability to help my daughter and show the world. My daughter has a form of autism, like but it's not autism. It's I guess she has like she I guess she had fetal alcohol syndrome or something like that. And it's probably because
Mhm.
was hooked on meth when I met her, and then I actually sobered her up. We were together for like 2 years. You know, and she got pregnant. So like, I mean, her body wasn't fully healed. Gave birth to our daughter. So I mean, that's the reason why, for sure. And mixed that my sperm was probably diluted with drugs too, because I was being a was beginning my shit stain years. Excuse my French. You know,
Mhm.
um, so you know, what I mean, that's my why. You know, you
I
wonder
love it.
why you wonder why I'm here. No, that's why,
I
you
love it.
know, and so, you know, and that's, I mean, that's, I usually don't go into that with people generally. I did with you, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean? My why is very real, and my love for others is very real because I get it, because I've been through
Mhm.
stuff, and I know how.
Yeah. Yep.
So anyway, that's my message to you. I just recorded this. I'll send it to you. Like my